Q1 is wrapped, so here's the latest product updates that we shipped at Chameleon and a look ahead to what's coming up. The quarter was a lot about smarter user experience. Obviously, AI allows us to be more intelligent, and we want to make the process of creating in-app campaigns easier for you, and also to make sure those in-app campaigns are better and smarter so that they're more effective. Some of these improvements included having AI recommendations. So when you build and ship an in-app experience, we will review it, analyze it, and give you some suggested improvements, whether that's copy or design, to help you learn and get better at this, but also to help your users find better engagement. In a similar theme, we also added a custom GPT to help you with CSS styling. So if you are working in CSS but are not super confident, you can use our GPT to help you get the CSS out for the experiences that you're looking to edit. We also improved the ability to save templates in themes. Themes has been a recent enhancement where you can create multiple different themes and set them easily. You can also constrain whether somebody can change a theme or an experience off theme or not, to give organizations better control of styling, and such that only folks with designer permissions can actually change anything stylistically or any themes. We made sure those themes were available and accessible in the builder. We also made some improvements to the builder user experience so that when you're building embeddable cards, these are like, for example, multiple cards in a row as tiles, and you have easier to see when you're changing things across all of those tiles or cards or on a single card or tile. So we're continuing to lean into more native and embedded experiences, and it's even easier to build them. We also added rich text editing. We've had Markdown support for a long time, but this just brings it up to modern standards, so it's easier to edit and adjust your text in any of the text fields that we have. And then we also added multi-tenancy support for our enterprise customers to provide more delineation between the data that might be loading on the page for any end user based on which company they're from. Some of the things looking ahead that I'm really excited about includes a big infrastructure project to improve performance, the speed at which you can load audiences, and other improvements around themes, but also a new agent. We are looking to have Chameleon do more of the work for you. And so this first feature feedback agent will allow you to very quickly create an in-app microsurvey that assesses how well someone likes a feature, gives them relevant follow-on questions, tags them in your system effectively, and auto creates audiences that you can then follow up with other campaigns. So we're trying to get much closer towards this connected system, and this is our first agents offering. We have more in the pipeline, but we would love for folks to try it out. And if you find it valuable, if you like it, give us feedback, we'll enhance on it, and we'll build more agents. We're also looking into creating more smart segments. These are intelligent audiences that we can discern or infer based on any of the user attributes or event data you're sending, or any of the interactions with Chameleon experiences. So look out more for these smart segments, which will make it easier for you to get started, to target the right users, also to inspire you to know which types of users you may want to engage with. And we're also working on companies view. So many of our customers are B2B companies themselves. They have business or company audiences with individual users. And so we're going to elevate that company object to make it easier to review the data at a company level, but also target at a company level. So that's something we're exploring, and there'll be some improvements over the weeks and months around that. So that's the wrapped for Q1. Lots of enhancements and bugs and fixes, of course, as standard, and excited about what the next quarter is going to bring.